This here is a fast setup for a shelter. I've been in thunderstorms, heavy rains, very low temperatures, and a shelter setup just like this. These work very good and they're fast to put up. I've just piled rocks on the end of the tarp because I couldn't stake it out. I'm on a rock ledge here, but I'm still covered enough and I have lots of room in here to lay down as well if I wanted to spend the night. So what I did here is just run my ridge line. This is that dollar store paracord, and this here is that bank line, and I put a toggle in through here, put a couple Presic knots in, run the loop through the eyelet, the grommet, and put a stick through. That makes this adjustable as well. I can move it up and down and find the most comfortable and the best spot for this, since I have quite a far distance across here. So there's many ways you can use this tarp to set up a shelter. This one here is one I've used often, like I've said, and I really like this, and it takes no time to put up. So it's a great addition to that dollar store kit. There's a burn ban on right now, so I'm not able to start a fire and showing how the fire kit works. But the headlamp, I used it last weekend and it works pretty decent. I was rather impressed with that small headlamp. The other one works pretty decent as well, but that smaller one, I really like that. And I also used that light bulb type and left that on all night as I was out. So 2 more great pieces of kit. So this here, just wanted to show you that shelter setup because it is proven to me that it works, and a great addition to that kit. Thanks for watching. Take care.